Hi everyone, I'm Ashmita. Here I have taken a cardboard small box. Then I have put in a nest, a vegetable net. And then I have stuffed it with dry leaves which I got from my backyard. And then now I made it like a cushion. I stuffed in all the dry leaves and I made it like a cushion. Then I'm going to take the raw egg, put it inside and again cover it with dry leaves. Over here I have filled the dried leaves from the top also and then tied the net. Now I'm going to close the box. Now I have sealed the box with the raw egg inside. Now I'm going to throw this box with the raw egg inside on the walls and check whether the egg is going to break or not. Let's check whether the egg has broken or not. See, the egg has not broken.